Hi, what's up? I'm Fat Papa. You see me in the room, you know today is food review. What kind of food? Jack in the Box, the new burger and the dessert. How are they? What's the taste? Let me give you more information. Let us begin. Hi, I'm Fat Papa. If this is your first time watching my video, I give the cooking recipe and the food review. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have new video, you won't miss it. Okay, let us begin. So today, I will give you the food review on the Jack in the Box new called bacon cheesy jack cheeseburger with bacon. Also, the dessert, the new one, the chocolate croissant bite. This time is different than before. The next few video I will be no surprise because I retake the video. My mic has problem. If you watch my last video, you know I will be from live recording and then change to like just voice override because like my wireless microphone, that one has some problem. You cannot record this, and the next probably 2 or 3 video you won't see that I surprise. I already knew this is, I already ate that before I take one video, but no sound. Okay, first of all, you order the combo on the bacon cheesy jack. This one on their website say is $6.99, but in my area the combo will be $7.99. A little bit different. How they taste, I can tell you they taste pretty good. I like it, and again I'll show you and let you know why. First, if you like burger with bacon, this is the one you should get. The bacon is not too crispy, then it melts with the burger and the cheese. The whole point is the cheese. They have not only one slice of cheese. The whole burger has the cheese, I think 2 or 3 layers. And when you bite it, the burger meat is melted with the cheese immersed, and then with the bacon, that smoky taste, and then a little bit salty, immersed together, make the whole flavor come out. So I like this burger a lot. And then the way they do it, I like it. Each bite I have the bacon, burger meat, and then the cheese. You melt everything together. You know, every time I take the video and I order it to go, and then I go home and then I set up everything, it will take time. But even it get colder, not that it's like hot, it's still good. You buy it and you eat it right away, I can be sure they will be even much better. The bacon cheesy jack, how they feel, and then the price is not like expensive. So even though $7.99 with the drink and then the fries, I think is good. And then like this burger size, a little bit smaller than like what I see in the picture on their website, but okay, I think it's still good. Then I talk about the dessert, still same thing with even the fries. I really hope they can change the oil. I don't know how many like they fry already for the day, but like last time and this time I go there, the fries is like dark brown color, and then the croissant is not. Seriously, really dark brown color. I know how it feel, and then like when the fries is not like golden yellow color, it change to dark brown. I really believe like the oil really need to change it. So, but beside the oil, how they taste, regularly I believe first the looking they will be much better. It's not like this, right? But it's already better than last time. Last time is almost black color. This time is a little bit better, dark brown only. I can say I'm okay with it, but not like wow, surprise or anything. So I take the bite again and then see like it will be any different. First, okay, you will see the chocolate inside is melting, and they use the Hershey. chocolate. You ask me, the chocolate flavor is really strong, and then the chocolate is good, and then it's not bad. Why I say okay is if you don't think that as a croissant, because they say it's chocolate croissant bite. I don't know, is that like the oil or what? I don't feel it's like the croissant. It's more like the bread inside have the hot chocolate melted in, and you get a bite. It's like you don't get like the croissant, not even close to the like croissant donut that like, but because if like you said fry it, what I can imagine is like kind of like croissant donut that type, like you can feel different layer. But this one, like all the croissant, like I don't feel as, I feel like everything is like already in one piece, and then just like a bread inside have the, if you don't think it as a croissant bite, you think it as chocolate bread and in the bite size, I would say it's good because it's not really sweet. It's like the sweetness is okay, and then the chocolate flavor is pretty strong because like they are not like some cheap chocolate Hershey. So I will say the chocolate is good. See, all the chocolate is melting out. I can like, if 3 of them is no problem. 3 of them is only $1.99, and then 6 of them is $3.98. The price is not like expensive. It's acceptable, and then I can say my kid like it. They eat it, and then I can finish 3 of them no problem. But I think 3 will be pretty much enough for me. Like it's still heavy, even though like they are not very sweet. It's like accept really okay sweetness, and I even want more sweet like on this, like because I think it's like more going to dark chocolate than milk chocolate they use inside. So it's not really sweet. It's okay, but still like because you eat 3 of this croissant the size, and then I eat this bread, it will be pretty much enough for me. Let me finish this one. The whole mouth, the chocolate flavor is pretty good. Like I said, don't think about it as a croissant. Think about it as a chocolate bread bite. You will feel better, and then it tastes good. And this time, like both of them, I like it, and it's not like really expensive or crazy or whatever. Just like I hope they can store around me that one. They can change the oil a little bit more often. And again, if you like burger with bacon, try it out, and then with the cheese, they melt it together, they are good. Like I said, no surprise this time because I already take the video, and I try to retake it instead of like just like voice override, because this one I like it. I hope to give you the better quality on the sound and then the video. I hope you like the information I give you, and again, I hope you will give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.